I don't even really know what gave me the drive to seek a Beetle out. I really wanted to get something that I could, go and explore the mountains back home. And I was young, I was single. I thought, get a little project car or something like that. And I moved a couple times, eventually met my wife. We ended up moving to Alberta, so a friend of mine actually brought the car out for us when he moved out shortly after we did. So he loaded it onto a trailer for us and brought it out of storage and brought it out here, and I tucked it in the garage, and I was gonna get to it after winter, and I guess it was a long winter because I never got to it. One morning we come out and Isla had saw it for the first time. She said, "That's my car," and she's claimed it as hers. So I guess as dad, you have to make sacrifices. So I guess the car is hers.
I sit in my car. I sit in my car and I tend to drive.
She's 4 years old, going on 30. She's so smart and driven. And when she claimed that car, you could tell just in her voice that she truly meant that's hers. That's where she's set her sights on. And to me, that meant the world to me, because I knew that was the fire that I needed and the motivation that I needed to start to work on this car, because it's going to be memories that her and I are going to share forever. However long it takes, I'm going to cherish every second of it. And at the end, we're going to be able to get into it and maybe head out to the mountains and enjoy it, and maybe take it to some car shows and be able to tell our story to anybody that wants to listen. Any project that I try to tackle, she's usually right beside me, and she's not afraid to pick up a tool and to give it a shot and ask lots of questions. But being able to hand over a tool and to see her try to take off a bolt and anything like that, it's a proud dad moment for sure. Jess, we sit in the back.
Yeah.
With Mom?
Yeah.
And then we can ride up front?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say yeah?
Uh-huh.
And how much fun?
So much fun.